Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. So today I'm going to show you changing colors when you're doing garter stitch. So this is where I stopped for now, and as I'm finished with the purple, I want to continue with my pink color. So I'm changing the thread right now, and in order to do that, I'm going to transfer the first stitch onto my working needle. Then I'll go behind the work like this, and I'll start new stitches like that. So that's how you take the thread up with you, and you get a lovely edge that way too. You can of course check other videos out of my channel. I did do some knooking, so feel free to check that out if you're enjoying this technique. I also have a lot about. You can of course also find knitting and crocheting projects. So the back row we are going to do the same way. So I'll show you one more time how to get started. So you put the pink one downwards like this, and you put the purple one this time over that. And you just continue then. And that's it. See you next time. Bye!